Hi, my name is Barbara Cannon, and today I'm going to teach you the command back. I'm going to be using Ellie. She's a 2-year-old golden retriever, and she is fairly well trained in this command, but we're going to demonstrate it for you. Now that I'm using Ellie today, and she is a 2-year-old golden retriever that's been trained in these commands already. If you're teaching this command to a puppy or a dog who has never learned the commands, it's important to mark your command every time that you do it with a yes, so that they know that they've gotten the correct behavior and reward with a treat immediately. So I will demonstrate a sit with a yes, so you can see how that would work with a younger dog. Ellie, sit. Yes! Timing is everything. The first thing you need to do when you're training back is to set up an area in your training room against a wall. You want to leave an area about 3 feet wide for you and the dog, but so that the dog cannot exit from the side and has to follow you down this corridor that you've set up. Today we're using training tables on the edge. You can use anything that will help you build an alley, if you will, to train the dog. So you're going to walk through the alley with your dog on your left-hand side against the wall. Start to walk slowly. Immediately turn in front of the dog and say back. And reward the dog when she backs up. Continue on and do it again. Back. And reward the dog. After you've done that several times, the dog should understand what the command means, and you can start working on moving her outside of the corridor with that technique. After you've practiced the technique of backing the dog up face to face, you can try the second technique, which is for a more advanced training method. You want to have the dog next to the wall again, and you're going to walk forward, and when you reach a point where you can stop, you reach your knee across in front of the dog with the command back, and the dog should back up with you as you go. Ready? Back, back, and reward the dog. One more time. Back, back. Good girl. Today I'm going to teach you the command touch. Touch is a very easy command to teach, and it is one that you can use in the future to teach many commands to your dog. In order to teach the command, what you need is a small treat that you can palm in your hand between your thumb and your middle finger. You put your hand down and ask the dog to touch, and when she does, release the treat and reward her. Good dog! From there, you can use that command with a touch stick. Some people use a formal touch stick. You can use a spoon, and you teach the dog to touch the spoon. Ellie, touch. Good dog. From there, you can take the spoon or whatever touch stick you're using, or your hand, and you can teach many commands, such as down, touch, down. There you go. And you'll find many uses for this command. It's very simple to learn and very useful in training. The last command I'm going to show you today is a change command, which means that one command leads to the other. Today I'm going to show you get it, bring it here, and give. You start with a wooden barbell. This is the simplest thing for the dog to get, and you want them to place their mouth in the middle of the barbell. You want to put the barbell at an area where they can reach easily and in front of their face so that they can easily get it the first time and have success. Ellie, sit. Ellie, get it. Good dog. And reward the dog afterwards. Once you have successfully trained the dog to take the barbell from in between your knees, you can start to move the barbell to other locations. Start moving it lower, and get it, good job, and reward every time. You can also move the barbell to the side. Ellie, get it. To the other side. Ellie, get it. And eventually standing. Elliot, get it. Also to the side, get it. Get it. Until she can pick up the object from any portion around your body. Once you've taught the dog the command, get it, and are sure that the dog can get the barbell from any location, either from your hand or from the floor, then you want to teach the dog to give it to you. The best way to do this is to offer the barbell. Ellie, get it. Back away and say give, and when she puts it in your hand, good job, lots of praise and a treat. The last part of the command that you teach is bring it here. And you do this because you want the dog first to get the item and put it in your hand before you increase distance and have the dog go and retrieve the item and bring it back to you. So you teach bring it here by having the dog get it and then holding a lure to the dog to get it to come back to you and exchanging the lure for the barbell as it drops it in your hand as you give the command give. So let's see that happen. Ellie, get it. Bring it here. Girl. Lots of praise and treats. Let's see that chain of command in action. Ellie, get it. Get it. Bring it here. Give. Good job. Be sure when you're training to give your dog plenty of praise and lots of rewards. It's especially important that they know that they've done well. Thank you for watching today. My name is Barbara Cannon.